All right, hey everybody, welcome along. We're going to do a walkthrough of this super rare 37-foot Country Coach Allure. Just came in here to Premier RV Sales of Oregon and probably won't last very long. Want to give those guys the thanks for letting me shoot these videos. But this is a beautiful coach. If you've watched the video from Andrew Steele and I going over paint checking, I'll leave a link below. But we talk about light colors not being as acceptable to checking. And this is going to be one of those coaches that has so many light colors on it that you're really never probably going to have to worry about that unless you leave it in the sun just baking away. But I just love these Allures, especially a short 37-foot like this. It's perfect for getting in and out of places where I'd be taking it, motocross tracks, and places where you just need a little less coach to fit in there. You know, you get in these state parks and stuff like that, and that 45-foot is just a lot of bus. So I want to take you along here, show you this beautiful Country Coach. So while I've got you here, we're going to take you around the outside of this. We'll pop open this front run bay here on the driver's side. It's going to be all your chassis stuff and whatnot, some house leveling things and what have you. Got your generator slide switch here, got your HWH pump down here on the bottom, auxiliary air pump, your air dryer for that. We've got the generator coming out here, looking like we've got about an 8,000 watt generator. Got some access for the back of the headlights and stuff here. Looks like about 365 hours on the gen, so real low hours on the gen. I think this coach is about 30,000 miles. So it's got the CAT engine with the CAT transmission in it. So we'll start back here on the passenger rear bay. And this one here is going to have your engine batteries and your chassis disconnect and some fuses for the chassis stuff. And then this here bay is going to be for your backside of your plumbing bay, so you're not going to have too much storage in here. You'll have your hydro hot 450. And then this next particular bay is going to be your house batteries. If taken. Yeah, so those are going to be your 2 house battery AGMs. And then you got the shorty, so you're not going to get a lot of storage, but you will have one big full pass-through bay here. Looks like somebody took the washer dryers out of this and put them in the bays, so that way if the guy that buys it, they're here for them. So that's kind of nice. So let's go ahead and go inside and check out what this beautiful 470 Country Coach Allure has. So nice neutral colors here on your floor. Won't really show the dirt much. Pretty cool ceiling. It's got the elliptical lighting here. We'll come across, get you some more bays turned on. This is going to have the multiplex lighting again, like most of the products that everybody was building at that time. Got your fantastic fan controller there. Here in the galley, you've got your sinks with your cooktop cover, or your sink covers. Your cooktop covers, the propane cooktop. Little flip out here to be able to hold your sponges and whatnot for the sink. Some decent storage here under the sink. Get yourself a subwoofer stashed away over here on the side, hooked up to the AV system. Then we've got some more storage here under the cooktop. Your heat exchanger for your hydro hot heating system mounted here. Some nice big drawers, nice and deep here in the galley. Gets you lots of storage again, and then the same depth again here on the very bottom. Then we've got this cabinet here, nice tandem lined again with the carpet on the very bottom. Gonna have the same here, a couple remotes for the AV system thrown in here. More storage here to the right of the microwave. Got that Advantium microwave in here. Got the storage above the top here. And then again here, just above the sink. Then you've got your overhead cabinet here. Nice tandem line cabinet. Got some nice wall trim here. Now this is going to have your manual blinds. You're going to have your day. And then you're going to have your night. So this will be your blackout. Then this would be your sheer, just to let some light in. And then that one just slides up also. So it's going to be the same case on all these windows, except for this one, the old 1-inch Venetian blind style here. And then up here in the front, you'll have the MCD blinds at the driver's seat and at the windshield. Those are going to be controlled through a couple visor switches. So those will be your visors. Looks like somebody's wanting to put a Samsung TV upgrade in here with a little LG sound bar. Got your audio video cabinet here. Your Yamaha again. Winegard satellite receiver, your player there. Up above this here, you're going to have your slide room controller here for both your rooms. One's going to be a power gear, the other's going to be HWH. Got your privacy blinds here. You smash all these buttons down, and all your blackout blinds start to run down here in the very front. Nice feature. Got your antenna controller there, your awning patio controller there. You've got the over the door here. Full power over the door. And then you've got the patio here. We'll just run this out a little bit. We've got a pole there, we don't want to smack it on. That shows you it's got the automated power patio. Auto retract there. Mount box here for a little more storage. Should be the same over here. Then you've got some storage over the seat here. Got the touch-up paint here for it. Some exterior sunscreens. Those are really nice. Getting a hot environment, put those on the outside. Really keeps the heat down on the inside of the coach. Got the IntelliTech or multiplex lighting here again for this particular slide room. It's got this little mood light button here for the coma cabinet. Turns on and off the light inside of there. Got nice deep cupboards here. Got the tandem lining in there and whatnot. This is gonna have a couch on each side. This one here is gonna be a hide-a-bed, so this will flip all the way out. May have an air mattress that inflates after you flip it out, and then this is gonna be just a jackknife, so this will just flip out. Nice and small area here, maybe for the kids or something, or a large dog even. But then you've got over here, got the dinette. Some nice cupboards here down low. Again, all the nice tandem carpet. Up above, got the nice carpeted cabinets again. You got yourself the multiplex light control here, so in case you sat down and weren't able to hit the button before you did, you always get that option. Some more storage under here. This is pretty cool. The dinette actually slides forward and aft, so you can get a little more room for that rearward side. Or if you want a nice room area for a little chair or something you want to store, that works out good. And then this also pulls out, so you get a little more stored surface area. Okay. And then one more cabinet here in this corner. Coach has got a beautiful new Samsung residential refrigerator put in it. So that's a really nice upgrade. Don't have to spend the money on that. It's about, I want to say $1,500 plus about another $1,500 of labor to get one of these installed. So this coach is so new of arrival, they haven't even got to detail it yet. I couldn't hesitate from making my way in here. So you've got the toilet room here, nice and private. You can keep the door closed, and you got the fan up here in the ceiling for the exhaust. So it looks like you got a magazine rack here in the side. Some pretty good cabinet space here over the toilet. It's got the low water use Tecma turd grinder again. That's a fantastic fan controller mounted in this location. You know, for being such a short coach, still got a pretty good sized shower. You can come in here. It's not too much of a step up. You can tell I'm not gonna step in there today, but it's got good height. You can get your hair washed without hitting your hands on the ceiling. And then you've got a little pocket door here for some privacy when you're back here showering, with the full length mirror, top to bottom, so that way if you're getting ready in the morning, want to be able to get that full length mirror. We've got that going on again here on the closet doors, but still a nice little option. We'll latch that back, and then we've got the travel lock again here for this one. So then we'll come into here, start smashing some buttons, see if we can get some lights to turn on. So we've got the overhead here, a little sharp television, some nice storage here, adjustable shelves. You could always pull these shelves out, put a rod across the top. Got nice drawers here again. Another drawer here for some more storage. Your AV system right here. You got the 5.1 surround sound here in the bedroom again. So that's going to be your receiver for that, and that's going to be your satellite location. You've got your safe located in here behind this cabinet, so it's a nice deal having a safe in this coach. Drawer here. This would be your cabinet where those washer and dryer that are outside came from. So you could always leave those out, put a full towel bar or a full bar across there and some shelves and be able to stack stuff, or you just put the washer or dryer back in there. It's all pre-plumbed and everything. You can slide this open. Got some lights up here in the ceiling. Another one there on that side. This big old box here is going to be for your shore cord reel. And then this would be your IntelliTech lighting system here. You've got your override switches in case something happens and the lights aren't turning on. You can always override them and turn them on in the back. You got his and her side keypads here to be able to turn on and off the overheads and the wall sconces and whatnot. And an all off button here, so when it's the end of the day you want to turn everything off. Some storage above the bed here, but it's not too deep that you have to worry about hitting your head on it on your way getting up and down. It's kind of a painful thing when you go to jump up out of bed and those cabinets are hanging over your head and you hit your head up there. And as I said, we've got the other keypad here for the multiplex lighting, again doing those. So beautiful coach, nice, short, easy to get around, excellent turning radius. I just love these coaches. If I was to ever get rid of my little intrigue that I've got that I take to the track now, I think this would be my choice. But I want to thank Premier RV Sales of Oregon for letting me come in here, film this beautiful coach. I want to thank all you guys for watching these, hopefully subscribing, hitting those notification buttons. I'm just happy to be doing this for you, and I hope you all have a great day. Thanks again. Bye-bye now.